Hey guys, I'm working in this modular, so there's not a lot of light in here right now, so I apologize if it's a little bit dark. But one frustration that I've always had is finding studs in my walls. Now, with this modular, you would think that if I find a stud, then I would go 16 inches and I would find another one. Well, from trial and error, I actually did end up finding a stud with no help from 3 stud finders that I bought. And I have one that is actually fairly expensive. It was like 69 bucks. It did not find one of the studs here. I actually got a false reading somewhere in here with it. And so I don't know why it escapes me, but those stud finders, for me, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But anyways, I did, by tapping, finally found a stud here. And I tried and tried to find another stud with one of the electronic finders. Never really did. Thought I had one here, but it wasn't really too sure. And so somebody gave me this little stud finder tool. And to me, it's genius. What it is just magnets that look for the nails in the sheetrock. And so I came along here like this and then instantly found a stud. I come over here, what I think is about 16 inches, I measured it, and I have nothing. Come a little bit farther, and there I found another stud. Instantly with this little $7 stud finder. And so what's going on is it is actually 2-foot centers in this wall in this modular home. And so this here is invaluable. I am actually getting rid of all those other stud finders that don't work for me. And this here is my only stud finder from now on. I'll put a link below in the description where you can go out to where I purchased this. And I actually purchased a few of them and gave them to some friends, and they love them too. So anyways, works great. The best stud finder I've ever used. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll catch you later.